Hi everyone. 13 minus 8 is 5 times 6, that's 30, divided by 5, that's 6. So the answer must be 6. Wrong. The answer is not 6. Let me show you how to solve this tricky math problem. And there are many ways to solve this tricky math problem. You start with 8 times 6. PEMDAS is saying 8 times 6 goes first. 8 times 6 equals 48. Next, I drop the 13 minus divided by 5. Now, some of you will do this. 48 divided by 5, so you use long division. You write the 48, the dividend inside, and the divisor outside. And then how many times can 5 fit into 48? Easy, 9 times, because 9 times 5 is 45. And then you get your remainder. 48 minus 45 is 3. And then you write the mixed number. So you take this 9 and write it here. And then you take this 3. And you can continue this to get a decimal. So let's do that. So you cannot fit 5 into 3. So the 3 needs to borrow a 0. So I give the 0 to the 3, now it becomes 30. You can fit 5 into 30 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30, and 30 minus 30 is 0. So you'll have 9.6 or 9, the remainder 3, right, a mixed number, over, and then this 5 goes below the fraction bar. So now you have these two. 9.6 or 9/3 over 5, and then you subtract. So 13 minus 9.6 will give you, so you have 13. You drop 9, you have 3/4, so you'll have 4.6 as your answer, or you'll subtract this 13 to this 9. So again, you'll have 13 minus 9 is 4, and then you keep the 3 over 5, and this is your answer as a mixed number answer. And if you want to turn this into a improper fraction answer, all you have to do is multiply 5 times 4, which is 20, plus 3. That equals 23 over 5, and this cannot be broken down further, so your answers are these 3. Wrong. Those are not the answers. We need to use the butterfly method. So I'll erase all this and show you how to solve this tricky math problem, because you probably thought that was the actual answer, and it's not. So let me show you. Okay, so I'll write this 13 as a fraction, 13 over 1, and then drop the minus, and I'll erase this too. I'll erase this. And turn this 48 divided by 5 into a fraction, so 48 over 5. And you use the butterfly method. So you draw the wings, the antennas, and the body, and you multiply what's inside the wings, and then the result, you write those above the antenna or antennas. So 13 times 5, so 13 times 5, so that is 65. So here are the antennas. So you write the results above the antennas. 13 times 5 is 65. Next, 1 times 48, that's easy, 48. Next, you multiply 1 times 5, that's the body, and that gives you the denominator, which is 5. And now you subtract 65 minus 65 minus 48. So you do this, this becomes 15, drop 8, 5, 6, 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. So your answer is 17 over 5, and that cannot be broken down further. Now let's use long division to figure out the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So I'll write the first answer here, 17 over 5. Next, I draw the long division symbol, and the 17 goes inside the long division symbol, and the 5 goes outside. And you can fit 5 into 17 how many times? 3 times. And 3 times 5 is 15. And also try to figure out this question, because I'm trying to add, oh my, I can't even talk today. I'm trying to add geometry into these videos, these math videos. I've been doing a lot of PEMDAS videos, but I want to introduce geometry as well. So try to answer this question. And wow, I really can't talk this morning. Okay, an isosceles triangle has 2 equal side length of 10 centimeters and a base length of 12 centimeters. What's the area of the triangle? So here's the triangle. This is your base, so you have 12 centimeters. And then these sides are the same, so 10 and 10. So they want you to figure out the area of this triangle. What is the area? Try it, put the answers in the comment section down below. I'll continue solving this tricky PEMDAS math problem here. So I subtract 17 minus 15, that equals 2. And then you can't fit 5 into 2, so you add a decimal after the 17, a decimal after the 3, write a 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 2. Now the 2 becomes 20. You can fit 5 into 20 how many times? 4 times. And 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0. So your mixed number answer is the 3, the whole number. The remainder 2 goes above the fraction bar, and the 5 goes below the fraction bar. And you can turn this mixed number answer by just multiplying the bottom. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2, that gives you 17. And you keep the denominator the same, so that is 17 over 5, and your decimal answer is 3.4. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. And thank you so much for clicking this video and watching the video. And don't forget to hit that like button if you got the answers correct. And don't forget to answer this geometry question. Put those answers in the comment section about, wow, I really can't talk today. Put those answers in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a happy face. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.